Hello friends, welcome to Let's Tute. Today we have come up with the most demanded topic, how to learn and improve cursive writing. We hope that you have watched our previous session on how to improve your handwriting. It contains many useful tips, so please do watch it. Here are some very simple and practical tips which can help you learn and improve cursive writing. The video will be useful for anyone who is beginning to learn cursive writing or wants to switch from print to cursive. Okay? The first difference that we need to know while learning cursive writing is that it goes in a smooth running flow. They are curvy and joint. Talking about the movement of hand. While writing, our palm should be at rest. Okay? And only the fingers should move. You must try to lift your hand only when you have completed writing a word or wants to change the line. Got it? Before starting into learning the actual letters and words, here are some patterns which you should practice doing to get a smooth start. This definitely will help you in bringing a good transition from block to cursive. These patterns. Try practicing them. Try learning the small letters first and then switch to capital letters. Most of the letters have a lead out to connect to the next letter, and this is how we write the alphabets. Please carefully see the hand movements. Notice the point from where we are beginning and how the curves are taken. Here again, touch the baseline while writing the letters. See how certain letters extend above and how some are going below the line. Now, the most preferred slant used is right. You may still prefer keeping it straight or bend it towards the left, but keep it consistent. Each letter should slant in one direction. Also, we don't keep any gap between the letters. They are all connected. But a consistent gap is to be kept after each word. Even while practicing, don't learn writing the letters separately. Instead, connect and practice every single letter. Like this. Learning and remembering the pattern is easy, but joining them and writing it without lifting your pen is what you need to practice. The position of holding the book and the paper remains the same. Tilt the page towards the opposite side. Like we have been saying, hold your pen in whichever way comfortable to you, but keep a soft grip and don't apply excess pressure while writing. You will just end feeling fatigue and won't be able to write for long if you're doing this. So keep a comfortable grip and apply normal pressure. A lot of you all keep asking which is the best pen to use. So here's what we have to say. Try a few different types of pen like ball pens, gel pen, pilot pen, ink pen, and then select the one which gives a good handwriting to you. Okay? Every individual might have a different choice. Lastly, a very important step to take after following all these tips is to practice. Use a double line or a 3-line book for practice if possible, as it will give you a consistent letter size. So that's all, my friends. We hope that these points help you learn and improve cursive writing, and we are planning to start video tutorials on calligraphy. So please let us know whether you would be interested in learning the same by posting your response in the comment box below. Friends, take a look at the online courses hosted on our platform www.letstute.com. See you soon. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Let's Tute. Thank you.